Jama'a sannunku ni sunana Vivian Wakwe wannan kawana ko?
Kanin mamana.
Kanin mamana dan uwar Uncle Imani. Uncle Ima. You people know my Hausa is not too good. I know some of you have been following my posts in Hausa. I've been using Google Transcribe, and Uncle Imatu has been doing some heavy editing. So I'll allow him to introduce himself, just say who he is. Uncle, I think you should tell them how you started speaking Hausa.
In English or in Hausa?
All your conversations on this video are going to be in Hausa. So
Okay.
Uncle Ima is my Hausa PR, so keep listening. Thank you.
Okay. Jama'a na gaishe ku. Ya kuke? An tashi lafiya ko? To, mun gode Allah.
Amin.
Sunana Emmanuel Chukwudi Alfred. Ko da yake wani lokaci ma ana kira na Danjuma domin an haife ni a ranar Juma'a. So sunana Emmanuel Chukwudi Danjuma Alfred. Na girma a garin gwamna wato Kaduna kenan. Na yi primary school dina a Kaduna.
Yes.
Secondary dina a Kafanchan na yi.
Kafanchan ko Katsina ne?
Kafanchan na yi.
Oh, ni dai Bakori a Katsina.
Yes, na san cewa kin je FGGC Bakori.
Oh.
Ni government secondary school Kafanchan.
Yes.
School din ma sunan shi da Igbo Union Grammar School, amma lokacin yakin Biafra. Sai gwamnati ta karba ta canja suna zuwa government secondary school Kafanchan. A wunne na yi secondary school dina. Ko da yake na fara makaranta a Wukari, garin Jukunawa. Amma na bar wurin domin daga Kaduna zuwa wurin dogon nesa ne. Shi yasa na yi kuka aka canja ni zuwa government secondary school Kafanchan. Ni kuma lokacin da na zo Kafanchan ban iya Hausa ba.
Surprisingly.
So, da na zo aka ce wai ba a bani correct number din ba, wai in koma gida. Sai yara suna ce daga taga, ni kuma ban san ma'anan taga ba. An jima ne na zo na san cewa ashe taga window, wato na shigo daga window kina, shi yasa aka ce a komo da ni. Kuma an fara koya mana Hausa, ni Emmanuel, wani dan Igbo Chinedu, da wani dan Kalaba John Ese Takwa, mun ce ba ruwa mu da harshen Hausa, ba za mu yi ba. To bayan term din aka ba mu 00. To shi yasa mun fara koyar Hausa. Yau na gode Allah cewa na koyar Hausa. Domin ai ko ina na je za a ce ai lele kai ka zo daga arewa. Ba na rasa jin labarin BBC Hausa da safe 6:30, da rana 3 p.m, da yamma 8:30 p.m. Ko ina za ni da mai aka ce transistor radio dina yana kusa. So ni na ji daɗi cewa na ji Hausa, amma da na ce ba ruwana da Hausa. Amma tun da yake ya zama muna dole, ai na fara kuma yanzu godiya gare na.
Now good. I wish I have that transistor radio. I'll show you. His house had to be called. Uncle Ima was known as my brother while growing up. And he knows now, my father, my grandfather, they were all Hausas, so to say. All their lives had been, they are essentially Kaduna boys. So, we are going to discuss my new children's book. We're actually sitting in front of my computer right here. I have loads of animal characters. I had written my previous book, my debut book was How the Tortoise Broke Its Shell. And we are going into printing for the second children's book, How the Lizard Lost Its Hair. I'll be bringing up photos and asking Uncle Ima the names of certain animals in the book in Hausa. For those he's not too sure about, we will probably do our research, and at the time I'll be editing this video, we will do that. So just stay tuned. This is going to be an interesting one. To akwe dabobi da susun de yawa later in. So I will bring up the animal on the screen, and Uncle Emma will give me the Hausa name. So let's start with this one. One me sunan shi.
Kunkuru.
Oh, wannan kunkuru ne. Wannan kunkuru ne.
Kunkuru ga kunkuru a wurin.
So wannan fa.
Wannan ban san wannan abu ba.
Wannan kadangare ne.
Wannan katangare ne? Oh, na gan hannun. Na gan hannayen. Okay, kadangare.
To wannan fa.
Akuya.
Akuya ko? Akuya
namiji ko na
namiji.
Buzuru shine namiji.
Oh, buzuru.
Ban san suna namiji ba.
Manya is woman, female.
Female is
Mijin, bazuru.
Buzuru. Buzuru is male.
Male. Okay.
Nameche, that is the female one.
Oh, Nameche. Okay.
Meche is female.
Okay. Naga. So, one number. Kaza ko. Kaza na mijin. Me suna kaza na mijin.
Zabua.
Okay. Kaza is the more common thing.
Kaza is the general name. Ama ko iri.
Okay.
Kama namiji.
Zabua. So, all of you have to.
Zakara.
Namijin Kaza. Zakara.
Namijin Zakara.
I can see the shortness in Uncle.
No. Zakara. Yanzu na tuna Zakara.
So, na Allah ku tafa mushi Uncle Ma. Na Allah. So let's move to the next page. One Kaza. One Miji ne. Zakara. One
female one, I don't know the name.
Okay. But male, the word male in Hausa is Miji. Namiji.
Nameche.
Nameche.
Meche is female. Miji, man. Male.
Me matter a Hausa. Meaning matter.
Women.
So it's wrong to say matter for this.
It's wrong.
So it's better to say meche.
You can say namiji konameche. Namiji is Zakara. Then Nameche. Wallahi namanta de sunam.
After this video.
Maybe. Then you research.
Okay, so guys. So we're on the next page. So one I know this one. A bit. I will do it. But I don't know the male of it. One agwagwa. So agwagwa namiji.
Suna namiji. Adeson chewa agwagwa ne.
So nameche ko.
Wannan na hagun nan nameche. The left one hagun. Is meche. Hagu is left.
Okay.
Dama right.
Okay, I can remember. Does the baby one Nayara, does it have a name? Or it's still Agwagwa? Agwagwa Nayara.
There must be a name because Hausa is a complete language.
We're not even getting into specifics because the truth is that in Litafi Yara, you have to really simplify the language so that it doesn't get too complicated. So let's keep. How do we say let's keep on here? So let's keep going. Uchigaba. Next page, got one man. I don't have a clue about this one.
This is crucia. Should be crucia.
But
crucia. Because there was this program in Hausa, Kukan Crucia, that we used to, when we used to use, when we watch when we were in Kaduna. Kukan Crucia.
Kukan is like the cry of the owl. Okay.
Kukan Crucia. I still remember that program. Kukan Crucia.
That's
the problem. But
okay. All right. So that was new. I've never heard Kuruchia. Okay. Kuruchia. I'll get the spellings down. You'll see them as we progress. Okay, let's move to the next one. One now. This is a very interesting one for some people. Let me get it now. One One and Cynthia who? Cynthia is broom. No, Cynthia is broom.
Cynthia is broom.
Broom. Sunsu.
Susu.
Is it plural? Bird. Is it plural or single? Or it's just anything?
Just
bird general. One and Susu Babang.
Baban Susu.
Baban Susu. So one and Me Sunanshi.
Wallahi ban san sunan ba.
Google ya ce
English ma
we.
ban ma san me sunan shi ma a English.
Wannan ostrich ne.
Ostrich.
A Google sun ce wai sunan shi Jimina.
Jimna to ban saba ji ba.
Ni dai ban sani ba. So we'll do our homework on that one and
Okay.
we'll get back to you people on that one. Sun ce wai Jimina ne.
Okay too.
Maybe
But
not.
matter about them.
Okay, why are we even waiting? Now Allah, as you're watching, if
Duk
you
wanda
know
ya
the
san
name,
sunayen
now what it-
sai a turo mana. Za mu ji
a
daɗi.
comment section.
Ne ma da sai na san cewa haka zai
sai
zama. Ai da na dan Google din su. Ko kuma in buga ma wasu da ne na yi girma da su wasu abokana na a arewa da na buga musu ce abokaza me sunan shi.
Now what it? Wannan kwai.
Kwai wannan ba damuwa wannan kwai ne.
Okay, the forest scene, like forest in Hausa.
Daji.
Daji. Nagan Daji several times, but
That
I
is
never even
daji,
thought
that
it
is
was.
daji, but it's daji that I used to.
So Jaji actually it means something. I used to think it was that
No,
town name
daji.
in Zaria.
Daji means no. That is a town.
Yes, I thought
where
that was just the name
the staff and command school.
of army.
Army is
military
in Jaji.
Jaji. I thought it was just the name of the town, but it has a
It's,
deeper meaning.
it has a deeper
What
meaning.
is the meaning? If I be just sorry, it's not part of this video. What is the meaning?
Daji and Jaji.
Uh-huh.
I don't know the difference, but I know that they are interwoven.
Woven. Okay.
Yes,
okay,
to me,
okay.
But normally I use Daji
Okay.
because that one I'm very sure.
Okay.
I'm sure of Daji.
Okay.
Ya shiga Daji. Yana Sekiyan Daji.
Yashigadaji, he has gone
He
into
has
the
gone
woods
into
or the forest.
It's
or
in the
something.
middle of the forest.
Okay. So jama'a bungo de Uncle Ima. Mun samu sunayen Dabobi a littafi yara in now. I will just juggle my house a bit and ask Uncle Ima one or two items in the illustrations just to juggle my memory again about what the names are. Uncle, me suna one now.
Kadange. Okay.
The bed. Kwan.
Godo.
Godo. But Kwana is to
Ina
sleep.
kwanche agodo.
Godo. That was what
Godo.
I was trying to.
Godo.
Godo.
G-O-D-O.
G-O-D-O. Godo. Now Godi. So one number. A shop. Shop. Not this animal. The shop itself. What
Okay,
is
shagu.
Shagu ne?
Shagu. Shop.
I totally forgot.
Shagu.
I totally forgot.
Shagu.
So now Godi. Okay, there's so much. As you can see, I've lost most of my Hausa vocabulary over time. I didn't build this thing. You know, we were in Kaduna till I was, that was after Jam 16, before we came back. You probably weren't calculating, but I was. So we came back when I was like 16 going on 17. So since we relocated, there's been a struggle. I do speak with phones, with the advent of phones and internet, but this is the closest I've been. Let me see if I have one more thing for Uncle Emma to let us know the name. Okay, I found something. Uncle May Suna Inna. Mirror.
Okay. Madubi.
Okay.
Madubi shine mirror. Wato katangare na duba fuska ya Madubi. Okay.
Fuska. Gashi. What is the difference?
Fuska is face. Gashi is hair.
Okay. Misanko? Okay.
Yana duba fuska.
Okay.
Madubi.
Okay. Now what? One number me sunanji. Inazo. One.
Duse ai. Okay.
Duse.
What about Duse bane? Wanga. Kaman Duse, mama ba Duse bane.
Duse rock ne?
Yes. Stone.
Me stone.
Stone Duse.
Kasa ko Hausa suna ce Igbo. Nyamri mechin na dodon.
Dodon doya.
No, but dodon doya.
Nyamri mechin doya. Nyamri dodon doya.
No, there's a way they say it. It interprets that way. They describe us as people that take very rock hard swallow.
Okay.
You know, some people get upset about that. We find it very, very funny. Masuchi, that doya, there's a way they describe it. But you would know, look, you would know it's like rock hard.
Yes.
Rock.
No, but the one I know is that the Yorubas have a way of talking about Igbos as the people that are ready to chew stone.
You know, please, we are taking a jab. Nobody's tribalistic.
No, we are not. We are not. I grew up in the north, so there is no tribe I have not had contact with. In fact, during my secondary schools in Kaduna,
Hausa da Allah.
When you look at them in secondary school at Kaduna, when you look at them, me paru de Nigeria. Hamna ce muku wallahi a lokacin idan ana IRK wato Islamic Religious Knowledge yaran Krista za mu shiga class da guji abin da ana koya musu.
Abakori is the same thing.
Idan CRK yaran Hausa wato Musulmi za su shiga class su ji abin da ana gaya mani. Ba wani babanci a lokacin. Amma yanzu idan na shiga Islamic class ai za ce na zo maybe for bad. Maybe akwai abin da ke zuciya na, akwai wani muguntan da ke zuciya na, amma a lokacin, haba, ana IRK za ku shiga loji. No, abin na damun na domin na san yadda muke da. Ba wani babanci.
Yeah. In a lighter mode, that's why my project before the end of this year is to have Hausa translations of all my books, and I'll do a book tour at Kaduna, maybe Kano, Sokoto, Zamfara,
Kano Dabo.
Just that the
Kano Dabo.
Okay.
Because they are known for animals.
Okay.
Kaduna is Geringomna. Because in those days, Geringomna, Dominda, Ko Ina, Duk, Northern region. Gomna suna Kaduna. Shi yasa aka bashi suna garin gwamna.
Northern region, Eastern regions, and Western region.
Garin gwamna.
Okay, top. So, just one more thing and we'll end this video. Huta neko? Huta shini. Whether it's a lamp, whether it's a fire.
Lamp is
the water is okay.
Water is okay.
Even this one goes.
That thing that came down is called the husky.
Okay, husky. Okay. I think there was even a program.
Okay.
Those days.
Okay, lamp is
it has skipped.
It has skipped. It came in now.
See, put it in the comment section if you know, please. If you know what lamp is, just put the house name in the comment. But it will come to us even before I edit the video. Just one thing caught my eye now. I was about to end the video. Uncle Mesuna one now.
Lada wallahi
sunan har yanzu bam sunan Lada. But if you think Lada has a Hausa name, but normally it's Lada. Talk. Mungama. Extend your thanks to Uncle Ima. Uncle, please. I'm sorry. I know right now you might even feel like giving me a knock. How do I say that they should appreciate you? Allah.
Well, one of the ways is kutaba mun kuma sake aiko mana cewa wannan abu fa mun dan ji dadi amma ga inda ya kamata ga inda ku yi kuskure ga inda ba ku yi kuskure ba shikenan
kuskure is a bit hard for me to understand.
Mistake. Okay, you made a mistake.
Okay, so you're asking that if we made a mistake in the video, they should let us know if anything. Yes, it's true. It's true. Okay. And for me, fitila is lamp. I remember it now. Okay. Me too. I remember because those days that we used to have a kerosene lamp. When you go to buy small quantities of kerosene, they ask you whether it's for the fitila or something like that.
Fitila.
Okay. Yes. So that is it. That's why we really need to appreciate that. My work is centered around telling literature from this part of the world. That's even how my company was incorporated, to bring that African stories to international limelight. And that's why I'm always happy to have guests like Uncle Ima here and friends of different backgrounds and who speak different languages. I'm sure all of you have enjoyed today's video. Now I could have Uncle in my comment section. I'm like, I'm going to promise I'll keep improving my Hausa. I'll make a promise after this to improve my Hausa as much as possible. And when I'm doing my book tour, Abuja is next month anyway, but when I'm doing my book tour, everyone will be taught. Uncle Ima, thank you so much. So all the way from Port Harcourt, Mungode, and say Anjimako.
Say what you look at.
Say what you look at you. Bye. How do you say bye-bye?
Sanjimako.
Say Anjimako. Bye-bye. Thank you. Subscribe.